The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Allegheny County, Virginia, Pulaski County in southwestern Virginia, Giles County in southwestern Virginia, Craig County in southwestern Virginia, the city of Radford in southwestern Virginia, northeastern Bland County in southwestern Virginia, northeastern Wood County in southwestern Virginia, Montgomery County in southwestern Virginia, south central Greenbrier County in southeastern West Virginia, southeastern Summers County in southeastern West Virginia, southeastern Mercer County in southeastern West Virginia, Monroe County in southeastern West Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Asbury to near Bain to near Coleman Store, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Blacksburg, Christiansburg, Radford, Allegheny, Pulaski, Wytheville, and Parisburg.